Here is your ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Marfa, Texas 1. Explore the artistic soul of Marfa at the Chinati Foundation. The Chinati Foundation is the artistic soul of the town, a sprawling 340-acre contemporary art museum founded by minimalist artist Donald Judd on the grounds of a former U.S. Army base. You can spend an afternoon wandering through artillery sheds housing Judd's iconic 100 untitled works in mill aluminum. Marvel at his 15 untitled works in concrete, scattered dramatically across the open desert landscape, and explore large-scale installations by other renowned artists like Dan Flavin and John Chamberlain. This is the kind of place where art is inseparable from its environment, allowing you to walk among monumental concrete blocks under the vast Texas sky for a truly profound artistic experience. 2. Experience a major new exhibition at Ballroom Marfa. For 2026, Ballroom Marfa is presenting Raven Half Moon, Flags of Our Mothers, the first major traveling exhibition for the celebrated Caddo Nation artist, featuring a series of new and recent monumental stoneware works, on view from May 1st through October 11th, 2026. According to my experiences attending the opening weekend, May 1st to 2nd, 2026, would be an incredible way to see the show, as it includes an artist talk with Half Moon, a community meal by Chef Nico Albert, and a free live music performance by psychedelic rock band Night Beats at the Capri. You can see how this intimate, non-profit space is a vital engine of the Marfa art scene, also hosting film screenings, live music, and the popular Supper Club dining series throughout the year. 3. Catch the enigmatic Marfa mystery lights at the official viewing center. For over a century, people have gathered on the edge of town to witness the unexplained phenomenon of the Marfa lights, mysterious glowing orbs that appear to dance on the horizon, seemingly from nowhere, some 30 times a year. You can drive to the official Marfa Lights viewing area just east of town on US 90, a minimalist orange stucco structure with a concrete viewing deck, built-in binoculars, and informational plaques that explore the many folkloric and scientific theories, including alien origin stories and swamp gas, behind these ghost lights. Here is a classic evening ritual. Head out at dusk with a camp chair, some snacks, and a spirit of patience. Settle in to watch the sunset paint the Chinati Mountains, and see if you're lucky enough to spot the elusive lights. 4. Snap the ultimate roadside photo at Prada Marfa. No list of things to do in Marfa is complete without a pilgrimage to Prada Marfa, the permanent art installation located about 40 minutes outside of town that has become the most famous and most photographed landmark in all of West Texas. You can see why this gloriously absurd, fake boutique, with its handbags and shoes from the fall/winter 2005 collection, sitting alone on a desolate stretch of US 90, has become a global symbol of quirky roadside art. It is a glorious slice of absurdity, best visited at sunrise or sunset when the light is golden, and the crowds are at their smallest. Just remember to park safely and watch for the constant stream of cars pulling over. 5. Participate in a special arts weekend celebrating the local scene. Mark your calendars for May 29th to 30th, 2026, when the Marfa Untitled Studio Tour, Marfa Must, returns for a special collaborative arts weekend, celebrating the town's vibrant local creative community. You can visit local artist studios, attend the opening of the Martha Invitational Pop-Up at the Rule Gallery, and check out a new exhibition at New Star Marfa, gaining a rare and intimate glimpse into the creative energy that thrives in the high desert. This is the perfect opportunity to buy a one-of-a-kind piece of art directly from its maker, as over the past 7 years, The Marfa Invitational has brought together regional, state, and national galleries for a festive weekend of openings. 6. Hike the rugged beauty of the new Chinati Mountains State Natural Area. 2026 is a special year for outdoor adventurers, as select local outfitters will be allowed to bring small groups into the new 39,000-acre Chinati Mountains State Natural Area, a pristine Chihuahuan desert landscape that is otherwise not set to open to the public until 2032. Here is a rare opportunity to explore towering yuccas, abandoned stone cabins, and the remnants of a supervolcano that erupted millions of years ago, all accessed through a raffle, or by booking a guided trip with a permitted outfitter. From my experience, this is rugged, primitive wilderness without marked trails, so you must come prepared with four-wheel drive, a reliable GPS, and the ability to be self-sufficient. The reward is an unspoiled, humbling experience of raw desert solitude. 7. Listen to live music under the stars at Viva Big Bend 2026. From July 22nd to 26th, 2026, music lovers will descend on the Big Bend region for the 15th annual Viva Big Bend Music Festival, a sprawling, multi-venue celebration taking over towns across the region, including Marfa, Alpine, Marathon, and Terlingua. This is the kind of immersive, community-driven festival that is pure magic, featuring over 65 shows in more than a dozen venues, from intimate bars and historic theaters to outdoor stages beneath the brilliant night sky. You can see why it's become a beloved tradition. You will need to purchase a wristband to access the shows, but the chance to see a wide range of indie, country, and roots acts in the remote desert is an unforgettable experience. 8. Seek out unexpected treasures at downtown Marfa's unique shops. Marfa has blossomed into a surprising shopping destination, and you can spend a happy afternoon along Highland Avenue, the main drag, exploring high-end boutiques and inventive jewelers. Stop into Wrong, a fun and funny gallery store selling high-end curios like neon-painted horseshoes and locally made jewelry. Browse Rabba Marfa for high desert vintage, including old Levi's and Carolina Herrera dresses, and visit Garza Marfa for beautiful handmade striped textiles for the home. You can see how nearly everything here is made by independent artists, and you can feel good about supporting the local creative economy with every purchase. The historic Hotel Paisano, which housed Elizabeth Taylor during the filming of Giant, is a perfect place to rest your feet. Its gift shop sells pajamas, silk-screened with icons of Prada Marfa. Run out of books while on the road? Stop and Read Books is a well-curated treasure chest filled with worthy reads. 9. Dine on modern West Texas flavors and shop at a bookstore. The culinary scene in Marfa has evolved far beyond roadside tacos, with innovative chefs blending local ingredients and global techniques into memorable meals. For a sleek, minimalist wine bar experience, enjoy a glass of natural wine with tinned fish and charcuterie boards at Alta Marfa. For a truly special meal, book a table at Otherside Marfa, renowned for its commitment to sustainability and a seasonal, organic menu that supports local farmers. According to my experiences, you should also make time to linger at the Sentinel, a beloved all-day cafe serving not just coffee and baked goods, but also craft cocktails, tacos, and pozole, all in a space filled with work by local artisans. 10. Plan your visit around a beloved summer festival. Marfa's calendar is filled with fantastic cultural events, and the Agave Heritage Festival is a beloved annual celebration of the region's native spirit that you absolutely should plan for. The Agave Heritage Festival, scheduled for April 2026, will feature a free exhibition by artist Sandra Harper called The Plant Project, where she turns agave fiber into sculpture, blending art and traditional fermentation. While the Marfa Film Festival dates for 2026 haven't been announced yet, this annual event typically features outdoor screenings in the arid landscape and a diverse mix of films. It's a perfect excuse to visit.